Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're back at the bowling green at the Droitwich Rugby Club, as you can see behind me. From last time we were here, the cars have now moved to the other side of the TP, or the other side of the tent. So it does look empty at the moment, but that's because all the classic cars are over that side. The post-2000 cars are over here. And yeah, absolute glorious sunshine. We were looking at highs of 32 throughout today, and we're looking at around about highs of 28 this evening. So it's going to be a bit of a scorcher. Hopefully that should bring out some really nice cars. So let's head over, shall we? Is the Ford Galaxy we saw yesterday with a BMW engine in it. Very cool. Is the modern car area. We've got the S500, if I'm not incorrect. We see quite a few shows. We've got the Elise, the Alpha, the M3, the Mustang, and just on the end here we've got the R8 Spider. What a combination with the Trans Am and the Challenger RT 440 4-barrel. Just check out that interior. Proper drag racing spec. And here's the interior of the Firebird with the Screaming Chicken, as it's known online, on the bonnet. And yeah, check out how clean that engine is in there. We can't talk about these two without talking about the Dodge Dart next to it. Another drag race setup Mopar. Here's Mini Mad Adams Police Mini. Always a pleasure to see it, and since last time I saw it, it's got a little model in the passenger seat. And here's Barry's C10 Pro Street. Look at the blower on top of that. Sounds like it's running a bit hot, as you can probably imagine. Driving a drag car on the street in this heat. Gonna get a tiny bit hot. Here's Elvis Presley's pink Cadillac. Just check out the length of that, the pink exterior, the pink interior, the white walls. And it just makes any car it's parked next to look absolutely tiny. Is the Night Prowler Ranch wagon that we saw yesterday with the wagon and horses. As you can see, Night Prowler under the hood with the BMW engine, right-hand drive. So yeah, if you haven't already seen yesterday's video, this was at the Wagon and Horses. suppose that's one way to get footage of cars leaving. Here comes Barry in the Pro Street C10. What an awesome truck that is. Take care, mate. So that is it for this evening, guys. Just a very short video. Obviously plenty of cars here, a little less than normal, but that's to be expected with the lovely weather. Everyone's away on holiday, making the most of it while they still can. And yeah, we're going to wrap up the video there, guys, but thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video.